In this Java Swing tutorial, we will make an application that includes a radio button. I created an empty window. I will add a radio button to this window. I create an object from the JRadioButton class. I set the position and size of the radio button using the setBounds method. I add the radio button to the window. I added a radio button to the window. We can change the font of the object. I sent the necessary parameters to the font class. I changed the radio button font. We can set whether the radio button is selected or not when the application starts. I sent the value false to the setSelected method. The radio button is not selected when the application starts. I sent the value true to the setSelected method. The radio button is selected when the application starts. I sent the value false to the method again. We can activate and deactivate the radio button. I sent the value false to the setEnabled method. The radio button is not active. I sent the value true to the setEnabled method. The radio button is active. We can define an action to be taken when the radio button state is changed. To do this, I define the add-ActionListener method. I create an ActionListener object. I will ensure that a message object is displayed on the screen when the radio button state is changed. I send two parameters to the method. The first parameter represents where the message will be displayed, and the second parameter represents the message itself. The message is displayed on the screen in every state of the radio button. I want the message to be displayed only if the radio button is selected. We can solve this problem with the help of an if query using isSelected method. Now the message is displayed only if the radio button is selected. You can add more than one radio button to the window. I create a new radio button by copying and pasting. I edit the variable name of the radio button. I change the text and position of the radio button. I edit the message to be displayed. A message is displayed on the screen according to the selected radio button. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.